Hello students. So with the continuation of previous video, let me discuss about the role of hormones in spermatogenesis. You know that spermatogenesis occur in male and it is the process of formation of mature spermatozoa from sperm mother cell. And the spermatogenesis starts at the age of puberty. During that time, there are several hormones which play important role while the development of the spermatozoa. At the time of puberty, the hypothalamus in a male individual will release the gonadotropin releasing hormone. The gonadotropin releasing hormone then acts on the anterior pituitary lobe. Now you must know that anterior pituitary lobe, to which we also call adenohypophysis, release several hormones. Pituitary gland is considered as the master gland, but to control pituitary gland there is a hypothalamus. Hypothalamus and pituitary are located in the brain. So the hypothalamus release gonadotropin releasing hormone which acts on the adenohypophysis or the anterior pituitary lobe. Then anterior pituitary lobe releases two gonadotropins. One is the follicle stimulating hormone and second is the luteinizing hormone LH or we call it as interstitium cell stimulating hormone. What is interstitium? It is the space between the tissue. So we have seen the section of the testes. In between the seminiferous tubule there is a space in which there are Leydig cells. So LH acts on the Leydig cells which are present in the interstitium of seminiferous tubules, and then follicle stimulating hormone, it acts on the Sertoli cell, and Sertoli cells are present inside the seminiferous tubules. Then Leydig cell will release the androgens. Do you know about the particular androgen? That is testosterone. So it will release testosterone. So then testosterone, it is a male hormone. It play very important role in the proper working of the reproductive organ to develop the secondary sexual character in male and also in the process of spermatogenesis. So from at the time of the puberty, from the hypothalamus, gonadotropin releasing hormone will release. It will act on the anterior pituitary lobe. Anterior pituitary lobe will release two hormones, that is LH luteinizing hormone and FSH follicle stimulating hormone. Now LH and FSH togetherly known as the gonadotropins as they act on the gonads. LH will act on the Leydig cells present in the interstitium of the testes around the seminiferous tubules. Leydig cells will release hormones known as testosterone, and testosterone will help in the process of spermatogenesis. On the other hand, the follicle stimulating hormone will act on the Sertoli cells which release certain factors, and these factors will act or help to transform these spermatids into spermatozoa. And we have already discussed the transformation of spermatids into spermatozoa is known as, that is spermiogenesis. So this is the role of hormones. So let me repeat. हाइपोथैलेमस से गोनाडोट्रोपिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन रिलीज होगा, वो पिट्यूटरी पे एक्ट करेगा. पिट्यूटरी से दो गोनाडोट्रोपिन रिलीज होंगे, वन इज़ दी LH एंड अनदर इज़ दी FSH. देन LH एक्ट करेगा लेडिक सेल्स में, इसको हम इंटरस्टिशियम सेल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन भी बोलते हैं. लेडिक सेल्स जो हैं, दीज आर प्रेजेंट इन द इंटरस्टिशियल स्पेस इन द testes around the seminiferous tubule. Leydig cells release करेंगे एंड्रोजन टू विच वी कॉल टेस्टोस्टेरोन. फिर वो टेस्टोस्टेरोन ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस, दैट इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म, उसको कंट्रोल करेगा. रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स की फंक्शनिंग को कंट्रोल करेगा और सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स कंट्रोल करेगा. दूसरी तरफ फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन सर्टोली सेल्स पे एक्ट करेगा विच आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल विच विल रिलीज सर्टेन फैक्टर्स एंड देन these factors will stimulate the spermatids to transform into sperms. And you know that जो ये प्रोसेस है स्पर्मेटिड से जब स्पर्म बनते हैं वी कॉल इट एज स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द रोल ऑफ हार्मोन्स in spermatogenesis. So from board point of view, this topic, that is the role of hormones in spermatogenesis, this is very important. These 3 points and the flow chart is enough for 3 marks or maybe in the 5 marks that kind of question may come. Thank you.